friends, it's Maya. I'm going to show you how to make easy, simple snack. We're making easy nachos today. So I'm going to get started and cut up some scallion or green onions because I like green onion. And I like green onions on my nachos, right? Just a little bit. I don't need too much. I'm going to grab some chicken strip. And you saw this on my last video of my little haul that I did. Okay. So I'm going to grab some of this. It's frozen though. This is the microwave for a second or so. Yeah, so I got my chicken strips. I'm just going to chop them up a little bit. They were frozen. I defrosted them for a little bit. So I'm just going to chop it up. And I think that's it. I don't think I want anything more on my nachos, okay? So now I'm going to just move this to the side. I'm going to get my tray because I'm putting this in, actually putting this in the toaster oven to do, right? I'm going to get my nachos chips, and you saw this in my last haul as well. And this is a La Cocina brand. This is very good nacho chips, my friends, or corn chips, tortilla chips. That's what you're getting, tortilla chips. And this is the last end of our bag of chips, so I'm just using what's left over. So now, with this, my friends, I'm using sliced cheese. That's all I'm using. I'm not using the grated one. I'm just using some sliced cheese. Use whatever you have in your home, my friends, right? Just gonna, and I like to layer mine because I like when it's very cheesy and the cheese just melts and spreads, right? And then I'm gonna put a little bit of green onions. Spread it out as well, right? And then I'm gonna put some chicken strips on there because I want this to be chicken all over because I like chicken on my nachos. This is such a simple recipe, my friends. If you have children, it's a quick and easy recipe to do. Your children would love to do this with you, right? I think I'm going to add some more cheese though. Right? And then I'm going to put some more nachos on top. Now, here's the debate, my friends. My daughters don't like when I make nachos for them because I put the sauce on top. And they're saying if you put the sauce on top, it's going to make the nachos soggy. I disagree. But still, I did not have any sauce to this just yet. So then again, I go over and I put on some cheese. Now, you can use a lot of cheese if you want to. As I said, I'm using sliced cheese because I don't have any hard cheese. And you don't have to go overboard with this when you're making this recipe, my friends. I hope you guys can see, sorry. You know, if you're doing a serving for one, you know, you can just use one slice of cheese, 2 slices of cheese, and just drop it on top. You know, I'm just being a little bit extra here and stuff. And lots of people don't like processed cheese on their nachos, and that's also, okay, right? So now I'm gonna put this bad boy into the toaster oven until the cheese melt. That's all I'm doing. Cheese melt and the chicken warms up a little bit. That's all I'm doing, okay? I just took this out of the toaster oven, my friends. It's done. It's less than 10 minutes. This thing is heated up. Cheese is melted. Yes, Lord. I'm actually going to eat all of this because don't want to dirty another plate. And then I got out my salsa. And I think that, yeah, this is mild salsa. So it's not really hot. It's just a nice little zing. And so I got it out. And this is where you can throw this on your nachos, or you can just dip it and eat it. And that's it. Try to let me know what you think, my friends. It's an easy snack or easy lunch, because if you can load it up with whatever you want to put on it. It's just simple like that. All right. Thank you for watching, my friends. We'll see you again in another video.